To determine if Jobber can replace QuickBooks, we need to understand the capabilities of both systems. QuickBooks is a comprehensive accounting software that offers a wide range of features, including invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Jobber, on the other hand, is a field service management software that helps businesses manage their operations, including scheduling, invoicing, and customer communication. First, let's examine the features that Jobber offers. Jobber provides a user-friendly platform for creating and sending invoices, tracking expenses, and managing customer interactions. It also includes a scheduling tool that allows businesses to assign jobs to technicians and track their progress. Additionally, Jobber offers integration with popular payment gateways, making it easy to accept online payments. Now, let's compare Jobber's features to those of QuickBooks. While QuickBooks offers a more comprehensive set of accounting features, Jobber excels in its ability to manage field service operations. If your business primarily focuses on field service work, Jobber may be a suitable replacement for QuickBooks. However, if you require advanced accounting features, such as financial reporting and budgeting, QuickBooks may still be the better choice. In terms of invoicing, Jobber allows you to create professional-looking invoices and send them to customers via email. You can also track the status of your invoices and receive notifications when a customer views or pays an invoice. QuickBooks also offers invoicing features, but they are more complex and may require additional setup. To get the most out of Jobber, it's essential to understand its limitations. Jobber is not a full-fledged accounting software, and it may not meet the needs of businesses that require advanced accounting features. However, for field service businesses that need to manage their operations and invoicing, Jobber can be a cost-effective and user-friendly solution. In conclusion, Jobber can replace QuickBooks for businesses that primarily focus on field service work and require a user-friendly platform for managing their operations and invoicing. However, if you require advanced accounting features, QuickBooks may still be the better choice. By understanding the capabilities and limitations of both systems, you can make an informed decision about which software is best for your business.